Welcome in, guys. I had a cake order to do, so I wanted to go ahead and share that process with you. And that is our recipe for today. So here you see me preparing my pans, greasing and flouring to make sure nothing sticks. I have some flour here, and to my flour I'm adding in my baking soda and salt, sifting everything together. And then I'm going in with my cocoa powder, and I'm going to sift again, and I'm going to whisk everything together also, just to make sure everything is fully combined. All right, I have my butter. I'm using 1 full stick of butter, unsalted butter, and to it I'm adding in 3 cups of brown sugar. Scraping down my bowl, and then I'm going to continue mixing. I'm adding in my eggs also individually. And now we're going to go ahead and crank up the speed and get everything mixed in well. Alrighty, I did scrape my bowl, and I'm now going in with my dry mix and my wet mix, which is my flour and sour cream. Stopping mid-mixing to go ahead and scrape down my bowl. I'm now adding in my hot coffee, and that is going to help to add flavor and to smooth out my batter. Scraping down my bowl, and then we're going to go in with another mix. I'm adding in my vanilla extract and my butter extract, and the final mix. This is our batter. We're going to go ahead and pour it up and get these into the oven. Now, while our cakes are baking, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my icing. And as you can see here, I have my butter, shortening, and cream cheese, and I've added some melted chocolate to it. Adding in some cold coffee, some vanilla extract, and some Kahlua. To thicken it up, I'm adding in my confectioner's sugar, heavy whipping cream, and some cornstarch. And we're going to go ahead and get this mixed on high, and there you have it. Now I'm also preparing some chocolate ganache, and that is simply melted chocolate mixed with warm cream. Our cakes have cooled down, and now we are ready to go ahead and start icing. I'm cutting off the tops of my cakes to make sure that they are level while stacking. Now, although I did use cornstarch to thicken up my icing, it is still pretty soft because it's hot here today and I'm working under the lights. But no wahala. We're going to go ahead and get the icing on these cakes. I'm going to put them in the fridge, and then we will be back. These are the tops of my cakes that I cut off, and I'm using the crumbs for decoration. This icing is super soft. It's so hot in here. Well, we're going to get this top coat on. Go ahead and refrigerate it, and like I said, we'll be back once it has set, and then it'll be easier to work with. Alright, it has been in the fridge long enough, and it is now easier to work with. So we're going to go ahead and finish it up. Let's go. Now, because this is an order, guys, I could not cut the cake to show you the inside, but trust and believe, it is delicious. Shalom.